The most luxurious cars in the world. Today, we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey through the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Join us as we explore the world of the most opulent, the most extravagant, and the most downright luxurious cars money can buy. From the traditional charm of limousines to the allure of premium SUVs, we've meticulously curated a list of not just the top 7, but an entire fleet of the most luxurious cars that redefine what it means to travel in style. Before we dive into the plush interiors and cutting-edge features, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're ready for a ride into the lap of opulence. 1. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, the spa on wheels. Our journey begins with the epitome of luxury, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. Priced at a cool $186,000, this car goes beyond traditional opulence. It's not just a car, it's a spa on wheels. Imagine indulging in the warmth package, where every seat and surface emits a pleasant warmth, complemented by an elegant orange-red lighting that gracefully moves through the interior. And let's not forget the massage seats, featuring small rubber balls that adjust and massage your back in perfect harmony with your breath. It's a symphony of relaxation that transforms every drive into a spa-like experience. But the Maybach S-Class isn't just about luxury. It's intelligent too, featuring a box, a built-in AI assistant that learns your preferences over time, making it more than just a car, it's your new best friend. 2. Bentley Bentayga, elegant powerhouse. Next on our luxurious odyssey is the Bentley Bentayga, a masterclass in elegance and power. While it may drive somewhat like a top-tier Audi Q7, it remains one of the most luxurious SUVs on the market. Priced at $207,000, the Bentayga lets you harness Bentley's most powerful drivetrain, boasting a 6-liter W12 engine delivering a staggering 626 horsepower. March 2019 saw the introduction of the Bentayga Speed, surpassing the Lamborghini Urus as the world's fastest SUV with a top speed of 190 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The Bentayga comes equipped with extravagant features, including a diamond-set clock on the dashboard and an air conditioning system that purifies the interior air. Because ordinary air simply isn't good enough for the elite. And if that wasn't enough, there's the optional Viscount Lindley-designed picnic basket, a $32,000 statement of luxury that attaches to the rear of the SUV. 3. Range Rover SV Autobiography, off-road elegance. Now, let's navigate through the luxurious landscapes with the Range Rover SV Autobiography, a brand synonymous with luxury SUVs. Priced at $180,000, the SV Autobiography stands as the most luxurious offering from Range Rover. What sets it apart? Its terrain response system, scanning the environment and automatically switching between 5 different driving modes, allowing you to drive on sand, snow, mud, rocks, and even the most mundane asphalt. It's one of the rare luxury cars that encourages you to fully exploit it off-road, while you and your passengers enjoy champagne and TV in unparalleled comfort. And here's a touch of convenience. Forget keys. The SV Autobiography comes with a waterproof wristband. A simple tap on the door with your wrist, and you're ready to embark on your next luxurious adventure. 4. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the Diamond Standard. Enter the stage with the iconic double R logo and the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan, their first-ever SUV and the largest vehicle the company has ever made. Named after the Cullinan diamond, the largest rough diamond ever discovered, this car comes with a price tag of $325,000. It doesn't just offer luxury, it offers an experience. Lamb's wool floor mats, a built-in Starry Sky with 1526 fiber optic stars, and even a secret umbrella compartment. These are just a few highlights of the opulence this car exudes. And for the ultimate in extravagance, Rolls-Royce offers an optional picnic basket designed by Viscount Lindley. Because why not enjoy a picnic in unparalleled luxury? 5. Laguna Turov, ultimate luxury limousine. Moving into the realm of limousines, we have the Laguna Turov, a name that translates to ultimate luxury in Arabic. Produced by Aston Martin, this extremely rare luxury limousine is priced at a staggering $1 million, with only 120 units ever built. Each Turov is a testament to Aston Martin's commitment to unparalleled comfort. While owners may have their private chauffeurs at the wheel, anyone who gets behind it will experience top speeds of up to 195 miles per hour. It's not just a car, it's a symphony of elegance, speed, and luxury. 6. Tesla Model X Electric Extravagance. Transitioning into the electric realm of luxury, We have the Tesla Model X, a beacon of innovation and opulence in the electric vehicle space. Priced at $106,000, the 2022 Model X defies conventions with its upward-opening falcon wing doors and a steering yoke reminiscent of aircraft controls. Tesla's advanced adaptive sensor systems and AI bring autonomy to the driving experience, allowing the driver to relax while the car chauffeurs them around. But it's not just about driving. The Model X features a unique gaming system on its 17-inch touchscreen dashboard, offering everything from classic games to AAA titles like The Witcher 3 and Cyberpunk 2077. It's not just a car, it's a technological marvel that makes every journey an electrifying experience. 7. Karmann King, the millionaire's fortress on wheels. Concluding our luxurious odyssey is the Karmann King, officially the world's most expensive SUV with a starting price of around $1.9 million. This angular masterpiece not only exudes power and futurism, but also an unapologetic sense of intimidation. Equipped with reclining seats, a console, a coffee machine, and a massive television, the Karmann King is a fortress on wheels, a statement of opulence that goes beyond imagination. Optional features include alligator leather seats, genuine gold trims, or a bulletproof coating. Because in the world of Karmann King, nothing is too extravagant. Who needs speed when you can roll through the streets in a vehicle that commands attention? Zion. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of the most luxurious cars in the world, each a masterpiece in its own right. From the spa-like comfort of the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class to the unbridled power of the Karmann King, these cars redefine opulence on four wheels. Which one would you choose to make a grand entrance to your next soiree? Let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this journey into automotive opulence, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time, may the wealth be with you. Stay tuned for our next adventure into the world of luxury and performance.